Hi everybody, welcome to your brief video tutorial using video physics. On your iPad you will find an icon showing a small bouncy ball. This is our video physics. Go ahead and open that app. It will bring open a blank screen. Click on the plus sign on the top. It'll ask you if you want to take video. If this is the first time opening it, when you tell it to take the video, it will ask if it can access your camera and microphone. Tell it sure. Then you will go ahead, using the record button, record the video as required on the worksheet. Once your videos are recorded, you will then use the analysis feature of this program. Click on opening your experiment. It will load it in and it will bring up a video of what you took. You will then see some special tools. One of them says points, the other says origin and scale. Click first on origin and scale. Go ahead and move your origin button to set your X and Y coordinates. Then have taken your video while a meter stick was in place so that you can actually use that to set your scale. This will tell the computer what 1 meter is so that it can give you good and accurate data. Then go ahead and click on points. When you click on points, it will give you a target. Center that target over your ball and click. As you do this, it will advance the ball frame by frame so that when the ball starts moving, you can then track the motion of that ball as it is going across the table. The more carefully you track that ball and the more consistently you do this, the better your data points will be. Collect data points all the way across. Then, when you are done, come up to this upper corner and click on the graph. It will give you a graph of the information. This one is X versus Y. This one is your position graph in the X position and your velocity graph in the X position, and then your position and velocity in the Y direction. Now you'll notice by the scale that the changes in the Y are absolutely minute, meaning there is no real change in the Y direction. It's what you are seeing here is my errors in moving the cursor across. This will allow you to then sketch these graphs onto your worksheet. Notice the scale markings because that'll be important when you're actually finding the slope of lines. Now there are other experiments that you will need to do, including using one from a falling ball. You will do the same thing, starting off with your origin and scale, moving your origin to where your ball starts, and your scale matching the meter stick that you have in the frame. Then you'll move to points, and just like you did before, you will center the target and then continue taking those points, tracking the motion of that ball until it hits the ground. Sometimes you may need to advance your film until you're actually having the ball move and actually start at that point. But go ahead and move your target, capture the points of the ball as it is falling to the ground. As it is falling, you should notice that the points get further and further away from each other. The more still you were holding the camera, the less odd motion you will find. Once again, you'll be able to graph that data. The last experiment that you will be doing will ask you to track a ball going up a ramp. At this point in time, you now know what to do. Go to work.